Today we're going to show you how to do an EdPuzzle. So you're going to go into your class, into your agenda. You'll click on complete the EdPuzzle. When that opens, you'll hit sign in with Google. Then you'll find your login or enter your login, and then you'll choose join class. When that comes up, the video will start over on the left when you hit play. And then as the video plays, you'll see the counter at the bottom. You can't skip through the video. You need to watch the whole thing. We feel these are really important. That's why we're doing it this way. There is a button over on the left. You can go back 15 seconds in case you miss something, and you can listen to that part of the video again. Then a question is going to pop up. So when it hits those little dots at the bottom, then over on the right hand side you'll be able to type in your answer. So for this question, I'm not sure, I don't remember what Mr. Hennigan said, so I can go over and I can click on the rewatch, and it's going to take me back a few seconds in the video to that important point that he talked about. Once you answer all the questions, then you'll submit your EdPuzzle.